That's Haley. Katie, turn around. Okay. We're going downstairs. And we gotta stay quiet because we don't want to wake the ghost.
What?
First.
What? There's a ghost?
Come on.
Oh, God.
Going down the stairs. It's okay.
Since I was-
It's okay. What the crap? Okay. Lights. Ooh, let there be light. Okay, come on. What the crap? And wait, someone hold the door open. And there's water, some wine, Gatorade. Katie. There's Haley. Say hi.
Hey.
There's food.
Can I have that Gatorade? Can I have that Gatorade?
Can I have the
Gatorade?
Yes, you can have the Gatorade.
Then give me a Gatorade.
Gatorade. Wait, Katie. Hold on.
Great.
There's Gatorade. Bye. Hope you enjoyed our productions.
Is that tofu?
No.